Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Angel.
And welcome to day 4 of the 30-day English Fluency Challenge.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Liam.
Today we're talking about something a little more fun.
Finally!
What do you mean, finally?
Day 1 was introductions. Day 2 was meeting people. Day 3 was talking about yourself.
And today?
We get to talk about things we actually enjoy.
Fair point.
And I have a lot to say.
I know, you have a lot to say.
That's my hobby.
Talking?
Talking about my hobbies.
Which are?
Eating.
That's not a hobby.
Watching movies.
Okay.
Sleeping.
Definitely not a hobby.
You don't understand me.
I understand you perfectly.
Anyway, today we're going to help you talk about your hobbies and free time in English.
And we're going to do it differently today.
Very differently.
Instead of giving you a normal conversation where we simply ask each other questions,
We're going to play a little game.
exactly.
And you can play along with us.
Here's today's question.
Listen carefully because the answer is hidden somewhere in our conversation.
Today's question is, what new hobby does Liam want to try?
Don't worry if you don't know the answer yet.
Just listen.
And write your answer in the comments if you think you know it.
We'll reveal the answer at the end.
First, you're going to listen to our conversation.
But this time, we're going to play a game called Keep, Try, or Never.
I will mention different activities.
And we'll say whether we enjoy them, want to try them, or never want to do them.
You'll hear lots of natural English for talking about hobbies.
After that, we'll look at useful phrases.
Then we'll practice vocabulary.
And finally, you'll talk about your own hobbies.
So don't just listen.
Speak with us.
Okay, Liam,
I'm ready. First activity,
go ahead.
cooking.
Keep.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What do you like cooking?
Pasta, rice dishes, and sometimes dessert.
Sometimes?
Okay, usually.
That's good.
What about you?
Cooking?
Yes.
Never.
Never.
I can cook when necessary.
That's not what you said.
I can cook when necessary.
That's very different.
Exactly.
What's the problem?
I don't enjoy cleaning afterward.
Ah,
I enjoy the food.
but not the dishes.
Correct.
Okay, next one.
Reading.
Keep.
Same.
What do you usually read?
Mostly novels.
How often do you read?
A few times a week.
That's good.
What about you?
I read almost every day.
Almost every day?
Yes,
When do you find the time?
usually before bed.
I should try that.
You should.
I usually watch videos before bed.
I know.
How do you know?
Because you send me videos at midnight.
They're important videos.
At midnight?
Very important.
Okay, next activity.
Dancing.
Try.
Interesting.
I've always wanted to learn properly.
You can't dance?
I didn't say that.
You said you want to learn.
I want to improve.
That's different.
What about you?
Never.
You don't like dancing?
I like watching other people dance.
So you're a professional audience member.
Exactly.
That's a very useful skill.
Thank you.
Next one.
Photography.
Keep.
Really?
Yes, I love taking photos.
What do you take photos of?
Mostly food, places, and people.
You take photos of food?
Of course.
Before you eat it?
Sometimes.
Why?
Because it looks beautiful.
And then?
Then I eat it.
Good system.
What about you?
I like photography too.
I didn't know that.
I don't do it very often.
How often?
Maybe once or twice a month.
What do you photograph?
Buildings and streets.
That's interesting.
I like old buildings.
Me too.
See, we found something we both like.
We already knew we were friends.
True.
Next activity.
Hiking.
Keep.
No surprise there.
I really enjoy hiking.
How often do you go?
Maybe once or twice a month.
Where do you go?
Usually somewhere outside the city.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes, usually with friends.
I want to try hiking.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's today's new hobby.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
I need to think about it.
You need to think about walking?
It's a big decision. Liam.
Okay, I'll try it.
Good.
But you have to come with me.
Deal.
And you choose the easy trail.
Fine.
And we take breaks.
Fine.
And we bring snacks.
Now you're talking.
See, we already have a plan.
That's how you make plans.
Very slowly.
One snack at a time.
Exactly.
Okay, that was fun.
And hopefully you heard some useful English.
You probably noticed that we weren't using difficult sentences.
We were just talking about things we enjoy.
That's the important part.
Let's look at some phrases you can use yourself. 1. I enjoy.
Use I enjoy to talk about something you like doing. For example, I enjoy reading. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy spending time with my friends.
You can use it when someone asks about your hobbies. 2. I like.
This is one of the easiest ways to talk about things you like. I like movies. I like taking photos. I like hiking.
How often do you?
Use this question to ask about frequency. For example, how often do you read? How often do you go hiking? How often do you cook?
It's a great question when you're talking about hobbies. 3. I usually.
Use I usually to talk about something you do regularly. I usually read before bed. I usually go hiking with friends. I usually watch movies on weekends.
I've always wanted to.
Use this when you have wanted to do something for a long time. I've always wanted to learn guitar. I've always wanted to visit Japan. I've always wanted to try dancing.
5. I'd like to try.
Use this when you want to try a new activity. I'd like to try hiking. I'd like to try photography. I'd like to try cooking.
6. I'm not really into. This is a natural way to say you don't really like something. I'm not really into dancing. I'm not really into sports. I'm not really into video games.
It's softer than simply saying, I don't like it.
7. What do you like doing?
Use this to ask someone about their hobbies. What do you like doing in your free time? What do you like doing on weekends?
8. That sounds fun.
Use this when someone tells you about an activity that sounds interesting. I go hiking on weekends. That sounds fun. I play tennis with my friends. That sounds fun.
9. Maybe we should.
Use this when you want to suggest doing something together. Maybe we should go hiking. Maybe we should watch a movie. Maybe we should try it together.
Let's learn some useful words from today's conversation. 1. Hobby.
Something you enjoy doing in your free time. Photography is my hobby.
2. Activity.
Something you do. Hiking is a fun activity.
3. Free time.
Time when you're not working or studying. I read in my free time.
4. Improve.
To become better at something. I want to improve my English.
5. Trail.
A path for walking, hiking, or running. This trail is easy.
6. Once.
One time. I go hiking once a month.
Twice.
2 times. I play tennis twice a week.
Weekend.
Saturday and Sunday. I usually relax on weekends.
9. Photography.
The activity of taking photos. I enjoy photography.
10. Audience.
People who watch or listen to something. Liam is a professional audience member.
That's not in the dictionary.
It is now. Now, let's make this personal.
Think about your real hobbies.
Not Liam's hobbies.
My hobbies are excellent.
Your hobbies include eating.
Food is important.
Okay, let's continue.
Tell us what you enjoy doing.
Use these sentences. 1. I enjoy blank. 2. I like blank. 3. I usually blank on weekends. 4. I do it blank a week. 5. I'd like to try blank.
Here's an example. I enjoy reading. I usually read on weekends. I read 3 times a week. I've always wanted to try hiking.
Now make your own sentences.
Say them out loud.
And if you can, say all 5 sentences together.
That's your speaking challenge for day 4.
Okay, let's check our listening question.
At the beginning, we asked, what new hobby does Liam want to try?
The answer is hiking.
Exactly.
Answer, Liam said he wanted to try hiking.
And Angel agreed to go with me.
Yes.
So we actually have to go now.
Unfortunately, yes.
Can we bring snacks?
You were always going to bring snacks.
Correct.
And that's day 4 of the Talk Angel 30-Day English Fluency Challenge.
Today, you practiced talking about hobbies, interests, and free time.
You also learned how to ask someone about their hobbies,
How often they do something.
and how to talk about activities you'd like to try.
The great thing is, you can use these phrases in real conversations.
You don't need complicated English.
Just talk about something you actually enjoy.
Music,
Movies,
cooking,
sports,
reading,
travel,
or even food.
especially food.
Of course.
See, I told you.
If you're doing the challenge with us, write Day 4 complete.
And tell us one of your hobbies in English.
For example, I enjoy listening to music.
Or, I like watching movies in my free time.
Like this lesson if you enjoyed practicing with us.
And subscribe to Talk Angel so you don't miss Day 5.
Tomorrow, we're going to practice something very useful, making friends and starting a conversation.
So you'll learn how to start talking to someone naturally.
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
And don't worry about being perfect.
Just have the conversation.
See you tomorrow.
See you, and don't forget the snacks.
Liam,
What?
goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.